Yes, yes. It's that time. Talking about our families. Ladies and gentlemen, folks, gather round. It's the 19 now. My boys, my people, my family goes so deep. It's like, check what I'm saying out. I be betraying the most incredible, non-penetratable message that's relating to your life. Story, this line can never reach no dead ends because friends, I'm talking about friends, moreover, family, addicts, morally supportive fanatics, actively involved relationally over common denominators. Wait a minute for my brothers who be catching the stress. Mess is happening makes you wanna cry and beat your chest, but I arrest the thought knowing my family has got more depth than Billy's ocean. I pity the fool who tries to rush my clique, he'll catch commotion. Maybe you can break the thread, but this rope is way too fat. And at that, I think that you better scat. Believe that, he was speaking the truth when he said he who laughs last laughs the longest. Let's put your bops against my pops, and then you'll see who's strongest. That's when you will finally know for sure that there's only one true daddy whose love is pure. The cure is not in the sedative.